My wife has been taping my mouth shut every night and I cannot thank her enough. I stopped snoring and I've never felt so well rested in my life. This actually kind of hurts, but I looked on TikTok for mouth tape and I found some. And I have to say, these are nice because I don't have to pull off my beard hair anymore when I take these off. If you snore, I highly recommend trying these out because, I mean, it changes your life when you get a full, deep sleep without snoring and you actually breathe through your nose like you're supposed to. It's crazy. They're only $20 on TikTok, so I'm gonna link them right here so you can get them.